Sometimes the stress of life in Manila is just too much to bear. And all we need is a weekend of escape from it all. Kiangan, a town of immense beauty, uncrowded and silent, an escape for my tired spirit, a place filled with history and home to a world heritage. Let me take you to this gem of Ifugao. LexGo. We took the bus of the Coda Lines from their station in Cubao, Quezon City. It's an 8-hour ride from the metro to Lagawe, the capital of Ifugao province. From there, a tricycle brought us to the birthplace of Ifugao culture. Kiangan is a place filled with history and treasures. During the Second World War, it was the hiding place of the Japanese soldiers. Here, General Tomoyuki Yamashita surrendered to the Allied forces, ending the war in this side of the world. Stories of hidden Yamashita's wealth have begun to spread around. For decades, Kiangan has been hounded by treasure hunters. And whether they found what they were looking for, no one could really tell. But the real treasure of Kiangan lies on its pristine beauty. And that, for me, is the real wealth that we all must discover. Kiangan is a rustic destination, untouched by commercialized tourism, and there lies its real charm. There are no hotels in the town. What's available are mostly homestays, and that gives its visitors a priceless local experience. The tourist center will be happy to assist you, from accommodations all the way to day tours, and they're looking forward to welcome you. If you want to reconnect with nature and experience the joy of simple life, Kiangan is the perfect escape from the stress of the city. If you find this travel guide useful, hit the like button. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to LexGo.